I will test the recording from 3 types of microphones to compare the recording quality of microphones with different prices. I have earphones with a microphone, a smartphone, and a condenser studio microphone. With the earphones,
Hello world, this is an audio recording test with the microphone from the earphones.
now with the smartphone,
Hello world, this is an audio recording test with a microphone from the smartphone.
and with the condenser studio microphone.
Hello world, this is an audio recording test with the microphone Marantz MPM-2000U.
For me, the most professional microphone seemed to have the worst quality of the 3. But what do you think? Which microphone sounds better to you? The earphones, the smartphone, or the studio condenser microphone? Leave your opinion in the comments and subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week.